Demand for safe haven assets is increasing. Yields of 10-year US Treasuries have settled down below 1.85%, while bond prices are going up. Market participants have fretted awaiting details on the date and venue of the meeting where the US and China's leaders will sign the first phase trade deal. The US dollar benefits from trade uncertainty. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar is still trading lower. The US dollar index is about to approach a one-month high. The US currency found support from Jerome Powell's testimony at Congress, citing the Fed's chairman the ongoing monetary policy is appropriate to the current conditions in the US economy. So Jerome Powell indicated that the central bank is likely to leave interest rates on hold in the near future. The same message was expressed by the Federal Reserve Bank of Philadelphia President Patrick Harker, who voted against a rate cut at the two latest policy meetings. The US dollar index is trading at about 98.40 with a 1.3% gain since the beginning of November. Macroeconomic data from the US arouses investors' optimism on the US dollar. Yesterday, traders cheered a consumer price index which surpassed market expectations. Today, the US Labor Department reported that the number of continuing claims fell last week, thus confirming Powell's words about the healthy job market. Besides, traders are encouraged by factory inflation in the US. The producer price index rose 1.1% in October on a yearly basis, better than the forecast for a 0.9% gain. Producer prices rebounded better than expected on month after a fall in September. It proves that factory inflation maintains momentum, thus justifying a pause in the cycle of monetary easing. Today, the Fed's leader will continue his testimony at the Congress. However, traders do not expect new details in his speech, so the second part of his testimony will hardly spark off a strong response from the market. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar is getting weaker against its American counterpart. The US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair is trading higher at 1.3266 in the New York session. The loonie is losing ground despite a rally of oil prices. Today, Brent crude climbed above the level of $63 a barrel. Interestingly, the US dollar has got stuck at near a one-month high, though unable to move higher despite upbeat macroeconomic data. Oddly enough, the greenback did not rally yesterday following the strong US CPI. Perhaps both the market and the Federal Reserve shift focus away from inflation and voice more concerns about uncertainty in the global trade, which undermines business confidence and investment. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.